यूट्यूब चैनल करंट लेंस में आपका स्वागत है। ऐसे ही शानदार कंटेंट के लिए लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। Question 1. Who was appointed head of the Global Cybersecurity Alliance in 2026? A. Victor Ramos. B. Jenna Taylor. C. Devika Sharma. D. Leon Chen. Correct answer C. Question 2. Who was appointed CEO of Titan Robotics in 2026? A. Kai Zimmerman. B. Priya Nair. C. Ahmad El Jamal. D. Sophia Lindberg. Correct answer B. Question 3. Who became chief editor of World Press International in 2026? A. William Carter. B. Lena. C. Nia Roberts. D. Omar Ajij. Correct answer A. Question 4. Who was appointed chairperson of UNESCO in 2026? A. Amara Kante. B. Yara Haddad. C. Philippe Laurent. D. Hannah Park. Correct answer B. Question 5. Who became Chief Operating Officer of OceanSafe Technologies in 2026? A. Lars Johansson. B. Mitch Chen. C. Daniel Smith. D. Isabel Moreno. Correct answer C. Question 6. Who was appointed Governor of Reserve Bank of Australia in 2026? A. Kate Wilson. B. Oliver Hughes. C. Mia Chen. D. Liam Brooks. Correct answer D. Next question. Who became Director of the Global Climate Research Institute in 2026? A. Aisha Kamara. B. Sven Olsen. C. Tomoki Yamada. D. Elena Rossi. Correct answer A. Next question. Who was appointed CEO of FinTech World Services in 2026? A. Rajiv Gupta. B. Rebecca Wright. C. Thomas Zelinsky. D. Noura Al-Fasi. Correct answer D. Question 9. Who became commander of the Allied Space Defense Fleet in 2026? A. Connor Blake. B. Hiroshi Mori. C. Leandro Silva. D. Fatoumata Cisse. Correct answer B. Question 10. Who was appointed Premier of New South Wales in 2026? A. Chloe Evans. B. Jackson Reed. C. Aaron Lee. D. Samantha Wu. Correct answer A. Question 11. Who was appointed as a Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra? A. Rajiv Shukla. B. Ekanath Singhe. C. Devendra Fadnavis. D. Sunetra Pawar. Correct answer D. Next question. Who became CEO of Greenfood Agriculture Corp. in 2026? A. Marcus Engel. B. Li Fang. C. Grace Okoro. D. Enzo Ricci. Correct answer C. Question 13. Who was appointed World Chess Federation President in 2026? A. Vladimir Petrov. B. Stephanie Clark. C. George Alvarez. D. Yuko Tanabe. Correct answer B. Question 14. Who became Minister of Energy of Germany in 2026? A. Lucas Fischer. B. Helga Braun. C. Svenja Meyer. D. Matthias Wolf. Correct answer C. Question 15. Who was appointed Chief Research Officer at Quantum-Eye Labs in 2026? A. Carrie Liu. B. Roberto Diaz. C. Ahmad Nasser. D. Sophie Benoit. Correct answer A. Next question. Who became Chairman of the World Music Awards Committee in 2026? A. Rafael Morales. B. Amina Hassan. C. Isabel Fontaine. D. David Cho. Correct answer C. Question 17. Who was appointed as a recent vice captain of Indian T20 team? A. Hardik Pandya. B. Sanju Samson. C. Shubman Gill. D. Aksa Patel. Correct answer D. Question 18. Who was appointed President of the International Red Cross in 2026? A. Elena Markova. B. Hassan Yusuf. C. Mei Lin. D. Samuel Peterson. Correct answer B. Question 19. Who became CEO of Hyperloop Transport Systems in 2026? A. Jordan Baker. B. Li Wei. C. Priyanka Rao. D. Marcus Schulz. Correct answer B. Question 20. Who was appointed chair of the Global Youth Empowerment Council in 2026? A. Amara Johnson. B. Leonardo Costa. C. Nia Campbell. D. Samuel Peterson. करेक्ट आंसर ए. करंट अफेयर्स से जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करें और बेल आइकन ऑन करें.